Good day everyone. Today we're going to be showing you how to make dry lamb bhuna the Kashmiri way, so follow me.
Assalamu alaikum guys. We're gonna make today lamb chops bhuna in desi style. So we need all this the ingredients: the whole garam masala and fresh chili and garlic, ginger, onion, tomato, fresh coriander and oil, lamb chops, curry powder 1 tablespoon and paprika 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon salt and turmeric teaspoon.
Okay guys, so this is what we need, yeah? This is everything. This is going to cover, it serves about maybe 4 people. Alright guys, you need to wash the lamb chops. Wash them thoroughly. Take all the dirt out, the blood. Okay guys, you need to basically fill up water and then cover the lamb chops, and you want to basically simmer them for about 10 minutes or until all the dirt has come out. Right, in the meanwhile, just you want to slice some garlic up, a whole batch. You can see. Okay guys, this is the last of the garlic, so that's exactly how much you're using to make this bhuna. And this is all homemade, none of this restaurant style stuff, because the restaurant, they use the same base for everything. So they have the base in the freezer, it's all frozen. When you order your stuff, they'll take that out, put a little bit in a pan, and they'll heat it up, and they can add anything to it: meat, chicken. Right guys, add everything: your garlic, your ginger, your tomatoes, your onion. And then now you want to take it and you want to give them a little rinse. Take all the dirt out, the mud. Just like that, okay? Okay guys, add a bit of water to your pan. Maybe about 1.5 cups, 2 cups. Now add all your garlic, your onions, your tomatoes and your ginger to the pot. And the gas should be on high. So the last is the ginger going in. Give it a little mix. Okay guys, add the chilies as well. Now you want to keep it on sort of like high heat for about at least 12 minutes to 15 minutes. Right, okay. Okay, so after 15 minutes, the water's going to be sort of evaporating. You want to take out all the stuff. So I'll show you anyway when that time comes, in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Alright guys, look at this, yeah? Look at the lamb, yeah? It's been about 10 minutes in there, and then 8 minutes. Look at all the dirt coming off it. That's fat and dirt. And this is what you need to take out from here and dump it. Okay? So this is what we're waiting for, all this dirt and grease and stuff. Right guys, look, yeah, it's starting to boil over. So you want to basically either mix it a little bit or turn the gas down at this point and drain it. So we're going to drain it now. Right, start draining it. And look at all that dirt. That brown stuff is dirt. Yeah, so you want to take all that dirt out, at least rinse it with some water and take out the dirt. Look at that. Up. Right, add your mixed garam masala, your whole garam masala actually. And this is optional. You can grind it like in a pistol, or you can just, I mean, this is the best way of doing it. Is breaking it down. Right, guys, it's done, yeah. So now look, it's turned to powder, the garam masala. So now we're going to show you the next part. Also, make sure you cover it for 10 minutes. Yeah, guys, look, this is fresh red chili, yeah. It's not the dry chili. So when you break it, it's got a crunch to it. Dry chili doesn't have, it has a crunch to it, but I think it's more crunchy and it's more drier. So this is fresh, look. So this is what we're using inside our pot to make everything. So yeah, so this is the fresh red chili. Also, another thing, we're not using any powder. There's no Kashmiri powder, there's no any chili powder. We're not using that today, so we're using just the fresh stuff. Okay guys, it's been about 20 minutes to 23 minutes. Now the water has evaporated and this is what we're left with. So what we're looking for is something that is dry, that is soft, yeah, and basically is cooked, yeah. So there's no hard bits or anything that's uncooked, because it's gonna go in the blender. So it has to be cooked, right? So we're gonna let this cool down now for about 10 to 15 minutes, because you don't want to put anything hot in the blender. It has to be dry. It has to be cold. Okay guys, now we're gonna put this. It's gone cold now, so it's safe to handle. So we're gonna put it in the blender. We're gonna blend this for about 30 seconds or something, so it turns to a paste like consistency. This is not what you're gonna get in a restaurant, by the way. This is what you call fresh cooking. Okay, that's the last of it going in there. Okay, let's move over now. So it's time to blend it. So now this is what we're looking for in consistency. You see that? See what it's turned into, a paste? This is perfect. This is the base for our cooking. Okay. Okay, now add this to your pan straight from the blender. Okay. A little bit of so I've just added a bit of water, about maybe a half a cup. Now add your chops to the paste. Add them slowly. Yep. So be careful you don't splash it everywhere. Now you want to mix that well. You want to coat all the lamb chops. Give it a nice mix. Coat it all. And put your gas on medium. Medium-ish to low. Now add your salt, your turmeric, your paprika and your curry powder. Add it all inside. Now give that a good mix. Remember your gas is on medium to low. Alright guys, what we've done is we put the gas on high because it was too low. So put it on high and I add your garam masala, your mixed whole garam masala. So this is after about a minute when we turn the gas on high. Now put the top on and leave it for at least 20 minutes at least on low gas. Alright, the gas has gone low now. Yeah, we just put the top on, the gas has gone low. Now leave it on low for about 25 minutes to half an hour for the meat to melt, for it to start cooking. Okay, it's been about half an hour now, so we're gonna check it to make sure it's made. Yep, looks done to me. Okay, what we've done is we put the gas on high, so we're just basically evaporating it a little bit more for about maybe a couple of minutes, and then we're going to add the oil. So I'll show you next. Alright, we're going to add the oil now. So just eyeball it. So this is how we do it. There's other ways of doing it where you add the oil first and stuff, but this is a different way of making it. This is how you make Kashmiri style. So just leave it on high heat, like I told you. And it does help if you got a non-stick pan, so the bottom doesn't stick. Look, see that? It never sticks, no matter how high you got it. So it's been about 5 minutes now. So the gas is on high heat still for the last 5 minutes. So we're just making it so it's less runny and more saucy, more thicker. The thicker it is, the better it is. That's what you call a dry bhuna. So you want to see absolutely no water in this. So the total cook time is about 45 minutes. Alright guys, the food is made now and it's very thick. as you can see. So this is what you call a Kashmiri dry bhuna, lamb bhuna. So now we're just going to plate it up. So I'll show you after it's plated. Bye bye.